got dope swaggy, that's how I roll.
Hey guys, it's Sam from Scrubs, and today we've got a brand new 2025 Toyota single cab 79 series. We're going to be doing a full matte conversion on this one and wrapping all the edges. It's not our typical PPF job because we're going a lot further. We're wrapping as many edges and corners as possible. We're also going to be doing a lot of disassembly, so let's get straight into it.
As always, once we're done with the pre-wrap wash, we get straight into disassembly. We remove the side mirrors, indicators, vents, snorkel, and any trim pieces that come off easily. On the facelifted 70 series, we also remove the front grille and headlight surrounds. Taking the extra time to pull these parts off means we can wrap the film under everything, keeping edges hidden and minimizing joints. With matte wraps, unnecessary joints can really ruin the look. This customer's going with a different tray design that'll be fitted after it leaves us. Because of that, they asked if we could wrap the back cabin wall, which normally doesn't get done on single cabs. Since we love going above and beyond, we're happy to make it happen. We've pulled the tray off using our in-house hoist and got straight to work. Since those rear panels aren't usually wrapped, there's no computer cut template for them. But that actually worked in our favor as it let us bulk wrap the entire area by hand, giving us the ultimate control and a clean, tailored finish you won't get anywhere else. The rear quarters on the single cab 79s are usually done in 3 to 4 pieces, but since we removed the interior trim, we could easily wrap each side in 2 solid pieces, leaving us with 1 clean butt joint. And when a rubber seal can't be removed, we use our tuck tools to guide the film underneath, keeping that clean factory look without exposed edges. One of the big differences between wrapping the older 70 series and the new facelifted ones is the front guards. On the older model, we usually remove the flares, but with the new clip design, we now leave them on and use our tuck tool to feed the PPF under the rubber, just like we did on the rear. Some shops will wrap this section in 2 pieces and hide the joint along the bodyline, but here at Scrubs, we extend our cut pattern so we can wrap it in 1 clean piece. As you can see, having that extra film around the edges gives us the room to stretch off the car. On tricky panels like this, it means we can get a seamless wrap with no joints at all.
Don't be obsessive, it could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive, it will be a waste cause we could be expensive.
Like with most vehicles, we remove the door handles to wrap the door cup, protecting it from scratches caused by keys, rings, nails, and all the daily wear. The difference with the 70 series is the locking mechanism. We leave the locks in since they sit so tightly against the paint, the film wouldn't sit comfortably once they're reinstalled.
Alright guys, so this car is all wrapped up now. It looks gorgeous in the UPPF matte. The customer will be here shortly in the next sort of couple of hours, so we're going to get it all prepped, ready for handover.
Come on, come here, come a little closer. Don't be afraid, no, I don't wanna hurt you. Little more, come near, let me just show you. Don't know, can't talk, let me just show you.
If you have any questions about PPF, vinyl, ceramic coating, detailing, make sure you throw them down in the comments, and also head over to scrubscardetailing.com if you want to get your car wrapped. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next one.